So we will focus on how we can use a prompt to make our prompts better. Okay, you just need this prompt. So whenever you write any prompts here, just paste this, or you can use this prompt as a custom instructions, so that whenever you write the prompt, it will automatically create the best prompt. Okay, or it will ask you a question to create a best prompt. Now let's say we're gonna try some demo here. Hi, I would like you to do some research about what are the impacts of AI on a youth, and how the youth should be ready to learn about the AI, so that the risk of AI implementation in the workplace is to lose a job. But with the help of learning AI and adapting with the AI, same youth can be more productive, which will be an asset to the employer or the company. Now, do some research and tell me what are the statistics, and what kind of mindset the youth should have. So, now this is the prompt which I gave. Now, let's say if I want to make this prompt a really best prompt. Now, I am using the voice sync, so it automatically changes everything for me. But let's say if I want to convert into a best prompt. So, there is one more prompt which I will share with you. That prompt is really nice. Okay. So you are an allied prompt engineer tasked with architecting the most effective, efficient, and the contextually aware prompt for large language models. Every task, your goal is to extract the user's core intent and reframe it as a clear, targeted prompt. Structure input to optimize the model reasoning, formatting, creativity. Anticipate ambiguities and preemptively clarify the edge cases. Incorporate relevant domain specific terminology, constraints, and examples. Output prompt templates that are modular, reusable, and adaptable across the domains. So when designing a prompt, follow this protocol. Define the objective. What is the outcome or a deliverables? Okay. Be unambiguous. Understand the domain. Use the contextual cues. Cooling tower paperwork or ISO curation gene. Choose the right format, which is the narrative, JSON, bullet list, markdown, code based on the use cases. So now the prompt across the domains. So now what are the guidelines for the best prompt? Obviously, this part should not go into the prompt. This is just for the example and the explanation. So I'm going to delete this. Okay. And let's see how this prompt will create another prompt which we can use it. So now look at this. Based on our this second part of the prompt, okay, and this is our goal. It will create another prompt, and now you can use this, and then you can paste it. So now this prompt is going to give you a best result. So this is how you can create your own prompt and make it a really magic prompt.